top headlines for the day.
अभी 28 अक्टूबर जो दिवाली आ रही है, मैं यही चाहूँगा कि इस दिवाली हो ए दिल की दिवाली।
क्या बात है।
बस और कोई अफवाह के बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं। आपको शो और ए दिल के बारे में पूछना है तो पूछ लो, कोई ऐसी चीज़ें पे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है।
ये चर्चा है कि आप सलमान के शो पे जाने
ऐसा कुछ चर्चा भी नहीं, ये भी आपके चर्चा भी आपके हेड में है। बस ऐसा कुछ चर्चा भी नहीं, ये भी आपके चर्चा भी आपके हेड में है। बस थैंक यू। चलो
मैंने सुना नींबू का जूस पिया था।
Karan Johar reacts to Eminem's threats. Karan Johar has finally come out and spoken in response to the threats given by Eminem. Eminem recently demanded that Pakistani actors Fawad Khan and Mahira Khan should leave India, otherwise the release of their respective films will be stalled. Fawad Khan is a part of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Mahira Khan is the lead in Shah Rukh Khan's Race. Director for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Karan Johar, in response to the threats said, "I understand the anger and the anguish that surrounds us and I empathize. My heart bleeds for the lost lives. There is nothing that can justify this terrible feeling of terror. When you are faced in a situation such as this, if this was truly a solution, one would take it." In addition, he gave us an idea of what the solution should be. Here's what he said. "But this is not a solution. I don't believe it is. The larger forces have to come together and sort the situation, and this cannot be banning talent or art." The MNS party's Maharashtra Navnirman Chitrapat Karmachari Sena is posing what they call a direct threat to the producers of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Raees. The threat is to stall and ban these movies from releasing in Maharashtra. Why, you may ask? Well, because both the movies have actors from Pakistan playing roles in them. Pakistani actor Fawad Khan plays a key role in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Mahira Khan, also a Pakistani actor, plays the female lead in Raees. And that is the whole reason behind Eminem's threat. Shalini Thakre, the General Secretary of MNS Chitrapat Karamchari Sena, said, "We will not allow films with Pakistani actors to be released here in Maharashtra. We are sending letters to all producers and would request them to cooperate with us, which we hope they will in Maharashtra. If they don't, we will stop the shoot wherever Pakistani actors are involved." The teaser for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil was absolutely amazing and the songs that came afterwards literally stole our heart. The chemistry between Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was undeniably sparkling. If the songs and the teaser can be this good, imagine what the full trailer will be like. Well, we don't have to wait too long for it since the trailer releases today. But there's something more interesting. The trailer of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil will be attached with MS Dhoni The Untold Story as well. The MS Dhoni biopic releases September 30th and will touch on some previously unknown aspects of our beloved skipper's life. Surely everyone is excited, but you know what's there even more? Rumors are that this is just not a standard promotion, that there is a special reason for the trailer being attached to the Dhoni biopic. Damn, what could this reason be? We'll just have to wait for it. Well, now there is a rumor that Ranbir and Shruti Hassan are dating. Whoa, we did see them in an ad together and boy, they did look cute together. But hey, before you conclude any further, let us clear your doubts. They are not dating. The two are just happy singles who are not ready to mingle right now. Paparazzi and media always links actors they see together. Don't we remember how Ranbir was linked to a Delhi girl recently? Well, since the time Ranbir and Katrina split, the beginning of this year, things have been turning expectant to their fans who would love to see them together. But by the looks of it, Ranbir is in no mood to get trapped and we are only waiting to see who next in Ranbir and Katrina's life. Till then, these speculations of Ranbir with all co-stars are gonna continue even if it is just an ad shoot combo like him and Shruti Hassan. Salman is to do the biopic on Chhatrapati Shivaji and Ritesh, who is going to star in the flick, has acknowledged Bhai's contribution to the biopic. Well, yes, we have to accept that this is indeed a great combination that we are going to see. Ritesh, presently busy with banjo, has made a lasting impression with his Marathi flicks and surely knows how to endear himself to the audience thanks to the comic thons that he has been a part of. Now with Ritesh also to do the Chhatrapati Shivaji biopic, we are really excited. However, the inclusion of Salman Khan in it, a pivotal role as mentioned, makes things even more interesting as well as exciting for Bhai's fans. Salman is busy with his upcoming Tubelight, and with him being proven as the king of Bollywood even above Shah Rukh Khan by Bach reports, we are really all geared to have a dhamaka performance in the Shivaji biopic. Salman Khan was recently seen in Manali with a fan and we dig his look. Yes, Bhai has changed his look for Tubelight, and ain't it a totally different one? We do know that Bhai had to miss the Ganpati celebrations in his house as he was busy shooting for Tubelight in Manali. He also has to come back for his Bigg Boss 10 schedule, which is another thing that Bhai's fans are eagerly waiting for. As for Salman, well, he is busy with his other sequels which are going to be on floors soon. Salman plays the role of a slow learner who makes his way to the top in Tubelight, and this picture of him and his fan is one of the other so many doing the rounds. We were floored by his cute little fan who also insisted to be with him in the picture. The picture also shows the military camp base, which is also coincidentally the backdrop for Tubelight. Salman sure knows how to take care of his fans, hai na? So Shah Rukh Khan was spotted in the recent trailer release of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Yes, didn't we see Ash and Ranveer in a restaurant when she receives a note? Apparently the note was from SRK, who was seated in the hotel, and we did spot him, didn't we? For all the under-wrap stuff that Karan Johar is working at to keep the role of SRK a secret, well, we are getting some leads. What say? Ash and Ranveer share a rocking chemistry in the flick, and in fact it has come under a kind of controversy with the Bachchan family not too keen to see their bahu with a Kapoor lad, for their relation with the Kapoors dates back to time when Abhishek was engaged to Karishma. Anyway, all that is real life, but this real life entry of King Khan is indeed filmy, and we love this filmy twist to Kejo's story. What say? The upcoming Shah Rukh Khan movie Raees is going to face some big headwinds. The action thriller set to release in January 2017 is facing problems because of its casting. Mahira Khan, a Pakistani actress, plays a lead role in Raees opposite Shah Rukh Khan. In light of the threats issued by MNS Party, Raees will be facing big challenges. The MNS Party declared a direct threat to the producers of Raees and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil that their films will be banned because they have Pakistani actors cast in it. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is due to release next month, and the shooting for Raees is mostly complete with Mahira Khan. Raees had already faced some legal trouble before when the son of gangster Abdul Latif filed a suit against the production house of Raees, claiming damages for defaming his father. The film is based on Latif's life. Shivai, the upcoming movie from Ajay Devgan, is getting more and more popular because of the 3-minute kiss sequence between Ajay and Erika, the lead stars. We are really expectant about the clash between Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai and are eager to know which would fare better. Already the two movies are in clash thanks to the release date, and it increased further with Kamal R. Khan posting that he was paid rupees 25 lakh to badmouth Shivai and say good about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil by Karan Johar. However, the thing that took the cake was this kiss sequence of 3 minutes in the now famous Darkhast song between Ajay and Erika, and it surely beats the passion and romance scene in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil between the lead stars. Yes, with the passion and the heat building up on both sides, we wonder who is gonna beat whom in the process.